Hey EDCers, Freedom EDC here with a really quick review of the two multi-tools that I have, in particular the cap lifter tools on them. This is a Leatherman Charge TTI, and this is a Victorinox Swisstool X. I got that pretty recently. I've been carrying this guy around for about 2 years, so plenty of experience with this. I've tried this already, but I'm going to show you for your own gratification the differences in the bottle openers and then some commentary on that. First, I'll get them out for you. I went for the inside of the Swisstool because I'm so used to them being on the inside with the Leatherman. Goes to show you how not used to it I am. Okay, so there they are. Victorinox cap lifter hasn't changed in years. I've got a Swiss Army knife. It's not around here right now, but same exact design, except this has a longer construction on it. It's a longer tool because it's a full-size multi-tool, so they can afford that length on it. Now Leatherman does something different. This is the can opener slash cap lifter. There's no other tool in here that could be used to open a bottle that I can see. So that's the only show in town right there. And as you will find out when I use them both, there's a major difference between each of these as they function. So let's get started. I'll show you the Leatherman first. I love this multi-tool, but here's where it doesn't quite cut the mustard. First off, to get to the cap, this bottom hook doesn't have the space because of the profile of the multi-tool. It's on the top of it. So here I am trying to get to it, and I can't grab onto it. So okay, I know what you're going to say. Open it up. All right, let's do that. So there's an extra step. I just had to open it to get to it. Oops, sorry. Okay, so I had to open it to get to it. Let's see if that works. Give you an angle here. I'm going to grab a lip. Okay, that took a little time to find. I got underneath there, and I'm just going to give it a standard motion like this. There you go. Kind of took a while to find that groove, to seat that bottom hook in there, and then once I did, it worked just fine. Doing it like this, the other way I've found that it works is to first use the very pointy part of it and then pry it up, and that gives it more of an protruding lip for me to then pop the cap off with it in the closed position, because if you can avoid some extra steps before you can get to your beverage, hey, nothing wrong with that. Okay, so that was the Leatherman. What do you think's going to happen with this? Well, I'll let the video speak for itself. Simple as that. I didn't have to find a groove on here. I didn't have to wait for it to engage so that I could lift it. This part wasn't getting in the way of this because it's facing downward. Again, because all the tools are found on the outside, it affords it to be facing downward. Well, you saw it here. Now I've got these two beverages I need to address, so I'll go ahead and do that. But thank you for watching, and that was just a quick review on the cap lifters for the Victorinox Swisstool X and the Leatherman Charge TTI. Thanks for watching.